Hello, my name is Alice and today I am going to show you how to make stickers using Cricut Design Space and their offset function. Now the offset function is in beta mode, which is like they're testing it out, they're seeing if they like it, and to be honest I really like it. It makes the whole sticker making process a lot easier. Whether you make stickers on Illustrator or Procreate or similar softwares, as long as you've saved out your image as a PNG, you can create that nice white seamless cut line around the outside using the maker offset settings. So I am just going to talk you through how I did it. I have made these beautiful stickers and hopefully after following this tutorial you'll be able to make these as easy as I did. So first things first, you need to get your artwork ready. So in this case, I actually downloaded some ready-made stickers from Envato Elements. I rave about them a lot. They're always linked in my description. So many creative assets for designers over on that website. But when you have your design, you need to make sure that you have them exported as a PNG. So for example, in Procreate, you can go up into the export settings, click the PNG option, press save, and then you can import that file straight into Cricut Design Space. The same thing applies with Adobe Illustrator. You want to collect the assets for export and save them as PNGs with clear background. You don't always have to do the clear background thing, but it's easier in the long run if you do. Cricut Design Space does have the option, which I'll show you further down the line, of removing the background, but we're going to do that because we might as well. We have the option too. So once you have got your sticker designs ready, all exported as PNGs with clear backgrounds, we're going to upload them into Cricut Design Space. So you simply need to go to the upload button, drag in or browse for the file, and then we're going to tweak some settings to make sure they're perfect. So you'll see when you first upload it, you've got three options, and we're going to click the complex option to make sure our designs are crisp and complex. Then I am going to go into the next setting and remove the background if we need to. Like I said, you can do this in Design Space. We're going to make sure that the background is removed. You can preview the cut so you can see in the grey area that's the part that will be cut out. Once you're happy with that, press apply and continue. And then we want it to be a print then cut image. That means I'm going to send it to the printer first, and then once it's printed, I'm going to stick it to my Cricut mat and send it to the Cricut machine. Just make sure it's print and cut. Cool, and then you have all your images uploaded. Annoyingly, you have to do these one by one. I wish there was a way of doing bulk uploads. Maybe I've missed that. If I have, let me know. But what I'm going to do is hold shift, select all of the stickers that I want to print and press add to canvas. So once they're in the canvas, I'm going to just resize them and arrange them. I'm not going to fix these in place. I'm going to let Cricut like fit them onto my paper as needed. You'll see that in a second. And this is where we're going to do the offset tool. So I'm going to click on one of the images, and up in the offset tool, if you click this, you'll see that there's a little blue line that appears around the image that sort of mirrors the silhouette of it. So you can drag the size of this up or down to whatever you like. You can round or straighten the corners and press apply. You'll see that it's now black, and obviously we don't want a black outline, we want a white one. So I'm going to go up into colour and change it to white. So now if I change the colour of the canvas behind these stickers, you'll see that it has a white background behind it. And just to finalise this, to make sure that they get cut together, we need to flatten these two elements. So I'm going to click on the sticker and I'm going to click on the white offset that we've created, and I'm going to click flatten, and then that is ready to be cut. So I'm going to repeat this process for all the stickers, adding the offset tool, changing it to white and flattening them all as individual stickers. So our stickers are ready. We're now going to move into getting them printed and cut. So we need to hit the make it button and we are going to connect our printer. I use this incredible Canon printer. I will leave the information of all the equipment and supplies that I use in the description. And all I do is plug my laptop in and send this straight to the printer. Now, for the print settings, this is something that you'll have to tweak depending on your own printer. I have a preset that I've made. Basically, the only change that I do is often I up the contrast. So usually between around 7 or 10, I will increase the contrast just so the colours pop and they're really vibrant. And I also make sure that it's going to be printing on glossy photo paper. That just means the amount of ink that's getting put onto the page is going to be exactly what you need. And I actually use sticker paper from Online Labels. Again, I'll leave that linked in the description. I really, really like how these turn out. They are great quality. So now on your laptop, you're going to see an arrangement of your stickers on the Cricut mat. You can move these around to fit more on or use less paper. It's completely up to you. Once you're happy, you can press print and send it to print. Who'd have thought? Once you're happy, press print and your printer will do all the work for you. Once they're printed, you need to take a Cricut mat. This is actually a shiny new one too. I'm very happy about it. And all I'm going to do is stick my print then cut image in the top left-hand corner. If you sort of mirror what it's showing you on your laptop screen, you can't really go wrong. Just make sure it meets that very top left-hand corner edge. And then we're going to load it up into the machine. So once it's loaded into the machine, all you need to do is hit the play button and you'll see, if you look really close on your machine, a little light will appear underneath the blade and it is actually scanning those black lines of the print then cut image. This is so the machine can accurately detect where on the mat the piece of paper is ready for cutting. So it will scan with that light and then it will cut. Now when you press cut, you need to make sure that you've selected the right material. So in this case I've selected glossy stickers. You can do kiss cut stickers where it's like a sticker sheet and you peel it off the sheet, where in this case, as these are freestanding stickers with their own individual backing, that's what we're going to use in this setting. It shouldn't take too long, especially the more simple your stickers are, the quicker it will be. And as long as you've got the settings correct, maybe it'll take a little bit of experimentation depending on the type of sticker paper you have, but they should very easily peel off. So we're going to take the mat off the machine, we're going to unload it, and I'm going to peel away that excess paper. I like to flip the mat upside down and peel it that way because that stops the stickers from coming off like bent and curved. And then I'll take this little Cricut tool and I will peel the stickers off very gently, again to stop them from bending as I'm taking them off the mat. We now have these beautiful stickers. These were so easy to do. I'm finding using the offset tool a lot easier than previous methods of exporting them with that border. Maybe they're not quite as smooth as I'd like them, whereas with the offset tool you can do it all in that one software on Cricut Design Space. That's it. We've made some beautiful stickers. Let me know if you have tried the offset tool, if you've made stickers. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you've learnt something, and subscribe if you aren't already. And I guess I'll see you next time for another one. Bye!